This is a quick tutorial where I show you how to hide your activity status on Instagram. So if this is enabled, then you can see if another user is active right now. So I'll show you how it looks. I'll just go to my home page and then my DMs. And as you can see, for this account, there's a green dot and it says active now. And now I'll show you how to disable this. So to do this, go back to your profile page that's on the right over here. Then click on the three lines which are on the top right. And here we've reached settings. So in settings, it's really simple. Just search for show activity status. It's the first option which is over here. And as you can see, it's currently enabled. So this means that others can see our activity status. And to disable it, just click on this blue bar. And now it's disabled. So others won't be able to see if we're active. And if I go back to my DMs, as you can see, the green dot and active now has gone. So this is basically how it works. And if you want to know who has unfollowed you, you can check that out by seeing this video over here. That's it for today. Bye.